Hey there, welcome to Gander Flight. I'm Joshua, and today I've got a real quick review for you on the Mouse Limitless phone case and why I won't be buying another one. So I've been using a LifeProof case for a while now on my iPhone, and I love the enclosed protection. However, people couldn't hear me on audio calls, on video calls. The audio was just cutting in and out, and I finally got tired of it and was like, I need to get a new case. So I jumped on YouTube, started watching reviews, asked a few questions in Facebook groups, and the mouse cases kept coming up over and over as super protective, yet super slim, and people really just seemed to love this case. So I was like, okay, I'll give it a try. When I got it, I noticed that it is super well made. The fit and finish on this case is absolutely fantastic, and it fits the phone really well. The edges are clean. It looks nice. This is the walnut version. Everything about this case is awesome. The drop protection, the ridges, how much it comes off to protect the screen or the cameras. But there's one thing that it's the one thing that's gonna make me not buy this case again, and that is the grip. It is the slipperiest case I have ever picked up. I pull it out of my pocket and it'll slide 2/3 of the way down. You pick it up off the table and it'll slide out. Pull it out for a selfie and the camera starts walking itself out of your hand. It's super, super slippery on the edges and on the back, which is super unfortunate because I really like how the case works and I like the protection that it's been shown to provide on different YouTube videos. And now this phone is 5 generations old, and so I had just ordered a new phone and I was like, well, maybe this is the Limitless 2.0. There's a Limitless 3.0 out now. I wonder if it's changed and if I just have an older generation. So I bought the 3.0, got it in the mail here. It's just as slippery. This will be going back. Unfortunately, I can't use it, and it's super unfortunate because it's a really nice case. It looks great. I said the form factor is awesome, but I can't. Every time I pick it up, I feel like it's gonna slip out of my hands. It's just like a greased watermelon in water. It slips all over the place. So this is super quick. Just want to give my opinions of this case. All the indicators showed that this was gonna be awesome. However, it's too slippery. For the new phone, I'm gonna have to find a different case. So if you have any recommendations, go ahead and leave those in the comments below. Hey Mouse, if you're listening, make the edges a bit more grippy, because this would be a fantastic case if it were just a little less slippery, a little more grippy. And hey, if you're interested in DIY project, go ahead and check out ganderflight.co. Until next time, I'm Joshua and you've been watching Gander Flight. Take care and pay it forward.